Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Kabisha, welcome back to my show. My name is DJ Lala and you are with Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. At syempre, ito na nga po ang hashtag Biyaheng Tama Na. Alam niyo, love, kapag nasa relasyon ka and you guys are running in circles, meaning to say, puro na lang kayo bangayan, puro na lang kayo ungkatan ng pagkakamali, maybe it's about time for you guys to call it quits. I remember someone told me this Sabi nila, people say that you should never give up. But sometimes, giving up is the best option, especially when you realize that you are just wasting your time. Tama naman, di ba, love? If you're in a relationship and your relationship is already running in circles, ibig sabihin nun, none of you guys are willing to change for the better na. Wala nang progress ang relationship. So, it's better if you'll call it an end. Maybe somewhere along the road kapag nakahinga na kayo both and na-realize nyo along the way na mahal nyo pala talaga ang isa't isa, maybe then you can give it another shot. But for now, I think pahinga na muna kayo before you lose your respect for each other. Kasi once you do, or once you did lose your respect to one another, that's it. There's no going back from it. Maybe you guys are already exhausted for trying so hard to keep it together. So, giving up is not really a bad option as of the moment. Okay? So, do not lose yourself in the process of loving someone. Tandaan mo yan, okay? At syempre, tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating usapan tungkol nga naman sa ating hashtag Biyahe for tonight, hashtag Biyaheng Tama Na. Alam nyo, kabisyo, in life, hindi natin pwedeng laging ipilit ang gusto natin. There are certain things in life that we should give up dahil may mas mga pressing issue na kailangan nating atupagin at unahin. Katulad na nga lang ng battle ng career over love. Noble pakinggan yung ipaglaban mo yung pagmamahal mo sa isang tao. But when it comes to real life love, kapag gutom na ang pinag-uusapan at pamilya na ang nakasangkalan, we have to know our priorities in life. Gets mo? Uunahin pa ba natin ang love life kesa sa kinabukasan ng sarili mong pamilya? I hope and I pray na the answer is no. Tama na muna ang harot love at unahin ang mas makakabuti para sa kinabukasan mo at ng iyong pamilya. Don't you worry, love will eventually find its way to you. You just have to be patient and focus on your priorities. Lahat naman nangyayari. Sabi nga niya, Lola Dab. Wow, lumang-luma yung reference ko. Sabi nga ni Lola Dab, sa tamang panahon. Ayan, sa mga kabisyo natin, before I move on to more of our music and move on to more of our eye-opening talks. Eye-opening talks. Tungkol nga naman sa the beauty of giving up. Ito na muna ang ipapaalala ko sa inyo mga kabisyo. Let's help each other out on this one kasi our frontliners cannot do it by themselves. We have to help them. We have to work as a nation, kabisyo. Kaya please, makinig naman tayo. Please, doble ingat and please, wag na munang magpasaway, okay? At tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating usapan tungkol nga naman sa ating hashtag Biyahe for today, hashtag Biyaheng Tama Na. Alam nyo, kabisyo, may mga taong kung tawagin natin love ay pushover. Sila yung mga yes man. Kahit anong hilingin sa kanila, kahit anong sabihin sa kanila, puro yes lang ang sagot nila. Ito yung mga taong nakabase sa iba ang desisyon kahit pa ito ay para sa kanila. Walang sariling jutak, be. I hope you're not one of them. Please do not give others the right to decide what's best for you. And please, stop allowing people to step on you and run over you na as if sila yung nagmamay-ari sa'yo at wala kang sariling utak. Stop being a pushover, love. It's about time you stand up for yourself. Remember that you are just as good as they are. And maybe even better if only you believe in yourself. Alam mo, you'll be actually surprised on what you can actually achieve kapag susundan mo yung sarili mo. So kung ikaw ay push over because you wanna fit in, you wanna be noticed by your boss, you wanna be noticed by the cool guys, o diba, yung mga sikat na cliques or grupo sa inyo, stop doing that. Kasi even if ma-penetrate mo yung sikat na grupo na yan, if wala kang sariling identity dahil sila yung nagde-decide for you, you'll never prosper, you'll never excel. Trust me on that one, okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, kasama nyo pa rin si DJ Lala sa ating hashtag biyaheng tama na. If you have something to say, send them over at DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page.
Always your number one. SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.